if you hang up on a nigga, bitch, I call right back. Roll my windows up, dollar rolling windows up. Biscuit ass niggas wonder how I got my jiffy up. Grip so damn big, I need a diaper and a sippy cup. Someone tells Zendaya she my favorite.
Oh my god, guys, I haven't recorded anything in like so long. Welcome back. Welcome. Today I want to do chicken suya. No, I want to do I said chicken suya. Yeah, I want to do chicken actually, and then I want to do shawarma too. So yeah, I'm going to get chicken now, and then I'm going to pick Zion from school. He has started. I know I've not posted anything. I'll post. But yeah, we're going to pick Zion from school now. And it's a vlog. I don't know why the last video, like the last 2 videos that I recorded, it's been so hard editing it, but I'm going to edit it and I'm going to post it in Jesus' name. But yeah, come with me. Let's go.
Out, they didn't mean me no good. I come from the ghetto, so my trunk is in my even if she could give out plenty stickers till they got it understood. Fuck the
I'll just call them the NDPC. NDPC. You also have a right to pursue civil action.
Oh yeah, give me my phone now.
What is open while you acting like it's closed? I don't know. I be going in and out recessions the same way that I be going in and out of Texas, or in and out my sessions, or in and out her best friends, or in and out these courtrooms. My lawyer like objection.
Yeah, whoa. All my bitches Spanish, Boricua. Water on my neck, these diamonds came with Coral Reefer. She from overseas, I had to buy her a new visa. Met your wife in Vegas, but I hit her in Ibiza. She a supermodel, so she only eat Caesar. Used to date a rapper, but he acted like a diva. Niggas hustling backwards, out here ballin' with the Rhea.
Powder Adderall, I feel like I could lift a tree up.
See too many cameras, so I never lift my ski up. I jump on your song and make you sound like you the feature.
I jump on your song and make a label think they need you. For real.
On that bush, 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 on that bush.
Guys, I just dropped Zion at school, and then randomly, I just remember, not even randomly, I'm having food poisoning, or like, yeah, food poisoning, because I had turkey, and the turkey had spoiled, and I didn't know. And I remember just earlier yesterday, which one is that day? Earlier yesterday, I was telling my sister-in-law that there's a lot of food products in Nigeria that are just bad, crazy, and people still sell them. I don't understand. I'm just ranting, by the way. And people still sell them. It's annoying, it's crazy. I have 90 minutes till the red light goes off, but yeah, I'm dealing with stomach ache right now, and it hurts so bad. I'll catch you guys later. 12 minutes.
Damn, maybe I should do a 20, maybe I should break that 20, do a 10, maybe I should break that 10, do a 5, then if it gets live, do a 5 again. If he held his tongue on that live, he'd be alive again. Damn, my uncle's sister knows she raised a real one, ill one. It's been 30 minutes, I don't feel none. Oh shit, wait a minute, think I'm starting to feel some. Where you get this motherfucking pill from?
Guys, welcome back to my channel. No need for long introduction.
TEMU has broken her heart, oh, make me not call every beggar.
Throwing frankers on her frame. I'm a gentleman, I'm generous. I blow $500,000 on you hoes. I'm a feminist. I never put no prices on the beef until we end the shit. I pay $500,000 for his soul. He my nemesis.
On that bush, on that bush, on that bush.
Nothing is happening on a Wednesday. I don't care. I'm on. I'm looking for the smoke. These guys sitting front row, man, poof, who needs that? Let me put my window down. I need fresh air.
Diamonds keep the roof. Ooh, I done bought the proof. Ooh, I done did the robbing. I done did the jacking. Now I'm full rapping. I put on my brothers. I put on my bitch. Had to wear the dress, cause I had a stick. You know where the bag at? Tell me where it is. I came from rest, the riches on the shit. I can no longer disguise a bitch, cause I'm rich. I got cause a lot of bitch, cause I'm rich. I escaped everyone in the list, cause I'm supposed to be rich. I don't care about no cop, I'm telling you just how it is. Put it in a Uber, send it to a shooter. Ask me how to do it, kicking shit right you can. Put it in a cab, send it to an Arab. Hit him with the mat now, last whole body scale. Cash on delivery, hey, go pop of the century. Oh, no time for gibberish. All the critics hearing this, all the bitches lipstick, and a pussy slipping. I can call a troop, go by the name of Duke. Can't never take a roots. I can send a moose. Niggas on the chain, but they ain't worried before. I'ma keep on spinning till they tell me ooh, ooh, down the steep of roof.
Mommy shark do 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 do. Mommy shark do 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 do. Mommy shark do 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 do. Mommy shark. Daddy shark do 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 do. Daddy shark do do do. Daddy shark do 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 do. Daddy shark. Mommy shark do 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 do. Mommy shark do do. Hi guys, so yesterday I was gisting you about something. Yesterday I was gisting you guys about something. So my mom wanted to get an item, and so I had to help her get it on TEMU. Successfully, actually. I don't know if I have it around there, but I'll try to get it and show you. And show you. So this, when you open, if you've ever used the TEMU app, baby, Zion, I'm talking. Baby, if you've ever used the TEMU app, you know that they're always giving you like coupons, bundles. They're always giving you discounts and whatnot. So they were just showing me 300k discount, 350k discount. As the evil girl that I am, I said, no, this opportunity cannot pass me by. I must partake. So, as I was saying, I got this off TEMU. I got this off TEMU. This electric lunch box. Blah, 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 blah. Now, like I said, they're always doing discounts and whatnot. So, this thing has been entering my eyes. And yesterday, that time I was like, oh, just do it, just try it. 11k. So they'll tell you that, oh, pick, like you have to buy 2 items to get 300. You have to buy 2 items to get 350k. So we bought the 2 items, yeah? No. So you buy the 2 items to get 350k, and that was what I did. My total was like 11k that I paid. So they said, oh, you have your 350k coupon. Tell me why it's like a coupon bundle where if you spend 40k, they'll remove 10k. If you spend 60k, they'll remove like a certain amount. They're not giving you 350k to shop. That's the story of my life. Did they scam me? No, they didn't scam me. I had another expectation, and yeah, that was not it. So yeah, I told you guys, I was reading Atomic Habits, and I'm done. I finished my first book. Am I happy? Yes. Am I excited? Yes. Am I very, very, very excited? Yes. Am I ecstatic? Yes. Yes. So the next book is between this one and something effective, something. But I don't want to read that one. I want to read about money, because money has been on my mind lately. So I've been thinking of like financial independence, blah, 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 blah. And I'm also starting my business again. So guess what? You'll be seeing behind the scenes of that. But I'm starting with psychology of money. Another thing I got was this package from B Beauty Essentials. She sells maintenance products for like wigs and whatnot, and I've received this package since like a few weeks ago, but I've just, because I wanted to unbox it on camera, I just left it, and I just waited till, you know, I was ready. So the first thing I have here is T-pins. Guys, a long time ago, like maybe like 3-4 years ago, or maybe like 6 years, I don't even know, I'm still into wigs, but like I used to be into like making my own wigs and all that, revamping my own wigs. I used to do it all by myself, so I want to get back into that slowly. And so I got some things like help me with laying my hair and all that. So I got this is a tweezer. I have one hair, like that's wine hair. I don't even remember that wine hair. Yes, I need to like pluck the edges because it's too thick and full, and it looks like baby hair. So I got tweezers, T-pins. Let me show you. Can you see it? T-pins. I got tweezers. I got this sprit, something that they say if you spray it, the lace in front to disappear. I got lace tint, but this color is looking one kind. Okay, but I got lace tint. Then I got the small size of this butterfly shadow because I used to use Got to Be. I still have my Got to Be, but I want to try this and see if it works. Then I'll get the bigger size. Then I got the wig head. It's just to put your egg. It's just to put like your wig on it, and then you use the T-pins to hold it down. That's if your wig is like smaller than this, but I have a big head and my wigs are tailored to my head, as you can see, so it will probably fit. But regardless of that, I'll just use the T-pins to hold that. Yeah, I'm still going to get some more things. Like later I'll get it. Then like this is where the wig head will stay. This looks like a tripod stand. Oh lo. Did I even know that this is what I got? See, so I'm guessing that we will. Oh, this is what it looks like, and I'm guessing that we have to open this. See it. I have to open this and put this up. Abi, what's the plate that's shaking here? So it's been so long I did this. I'm guessing we have to do this. Let me just open it. I didn't plan to open it now, but I think I want to do like a nice Ghana weaving at the end of the month. I haven't done my hair in a while because making your hair now in Nigeria is so expensive. So what's all this one on it? Anyways, this is what it looks like, and then I'll just put it here like this. Woo, that's so sexy. Look at it. It's cute and it's pink. This was purely coincidental. There's nothing, I'm not a pink girly, but it's cute. See, I forgot that there's this also. I just saw it now when I was trying to like tidy up everywhere. So I think it's like a spritz, or oh my god, I've always wanted to have this, even for my like my natural hair and everything. So I think you just but yeah, that's it. I'm not in the mood to do anything right now. I just want to eat and sleep. I want to go and cook. I'll probably cook yam and egg or something, but yeah, when I'm ready to twist that hair, probably I will show you how, you know, this looks on a wig. How the wig looks on it. Yeah, but you get what I'm trying to say. I'm going to use this as like a storage bag. I'll put everything inside because I don't want Zion to play with it. I don't want to be explaining anything. Oh, I could just put everything here. Anyways, I'll catch you guys later.
Ooh, I done bought the coupe. Ooh, I done did the robbing. I done did the jacking. Now I'm full rapping. I put on my brothers. I put on my bitch. Had to wear the dress, cause I had a stick. You know where the bag at? Tell me where it is. I came from rest, the riches on the shit. I can no longer disguise it, bitch, cause I'm rich. I got cause galore, bitch, cause I'm rich. I escaped everyone in the list, cause I was supposed to be rich. I don't care about no cop, I'm telling you just how it is. I don't gotta throw you shit like Captain. I got 7 bitches with me, Captain. Yeah, R.I.P. Nipsey, I can tell you how to get rich. I can tell you how to die or how to live in this bitch. I can tell you how to talk the most impeccable shit. I can show you how to walk like you got decimal, bitch. Show you how I can get the top from all the top 10 bitches. I got white outer raws, I had my sin. I got lights on, baby, I got mouse in this bitch. No flats on, caught you like your mouse in this bitch. Grown tycoon, and I took some losses, you bitch. I'm a boss, but I don't like to take a loss in this bitch. Such a player, but I can't get caught on all of my bitches. I got layers, I got millions, I got all types of billions. Fuck around and add a pussy nigga out like Nene. Last nigga tried me, almost got popped in it. Ask the cops, ask the detectives, they know all the business. Ask the cops and the detectives, all the jurisdictions. Ask the kids at school who ambition, all the mission. Gave the lawyer close to 2 million, he handled all the killings. I don't know and I don't wanna know who's large business. I don't know what's going bro, I think they all spinning. Don't speak about shit on wax, it's all my business. We known to kill the biggest cats of all killers.
Where's the island?
Down this people roof. Ooh, ooh, I done bought the proof. Ooh, ooh, I done did the robbing. I done did the jacking. Now I'm full rapping. I put on my brothers. I put on my bitch. Had to wear the dress.
Oh yeah, I can tell you it's like my back right now.
Is it going to show our legs? Don't show our legs, though. Please don't show our legs, though. Why what? Oh yeah, man. I am you.
Musa, please sit.
You know if you want like to.
Hello, sir.
What is it? Oh yeah, we do.
It shocked you. It shocked calm.
If you get out, give her $100. I don't know her name. That lady, you know, like I'll give her $100 if you get out.
That's not today when you're press person. You know if you talk.
What is it? Let's shift. Who is the next person? Who is the next person?
Happy birthday, Mr.
I know she has place. The slippers are floating away.
Happy birthday, Mr. Ken.
Nothing baby. Let me say something. It's because I know that she's here. But her voice, I know her voice. There is nothing like this.